To build WhatsApp flows with AI Agent, you can use our portal to embed it fully into your systems. We are the first to bring this capability to the market, so let's check out how to go live with your WhatsApp flows within minutes. Click on Channels, go to WhatsApp, then go to Senders, select one, click on the More option, and view flows. Click on Create Flow, which opens a new screen. Name your flow and write a prompt. You can create a WhatsApp flow for your desired use case and finally click on the Send prompt. In the background, AI creates JSON and automatically connects it to the WhatsApp business account. After finalization, a preview is displayed. You can check the flow steps by clicking on the following menu. You can write another prompt to create a more detailed and in-depth flow by feeding it data, such as product or service names. Add more steps or requests to add emojis. Once finalized, you can preview it again and see your previous prompts. When you are satisfied with your flow, click on Save, and flow will be published. Now you are on the Flows menu. There you can find flows by name. To use flows in communication, you will need the Flow ID and the first flow screen. Now, let's see what the WhatsApp flows look like in action.